There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house.
So, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Lisa Williams. Welcome back. And I'm here with another video, period. If you're not new to my channel, then you already know what to do. If you is, I hope this leads you to subscribe to my channel and to like and comment, period. So boom, boom, boom. This is what I'm gonna tell y'all what's going on there. I know I look a little rough, but whatever. So, yeah. So, basically what we're gonna be doing today. Hold on, I'm gonna put up some comments. My lip is dry. I was supposed to drop a wish list video for y'all, but I didn't. Like it. I got off work late. When I got off work late, it was just too much going on. I had to handle some business, and I had to make sure. Yeah, we just gonna say it was not a good night, and I wasn't gonna be able to do the video for y'all. And then I had to do my cousin hair, so yeah, it just was not it. So long story short, I'm gonna give y'all the wish list, and I'm gonna give y'all the gingerbread house video, but it's gonna all be in the same video. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Ready for this video. It's not really gonna be too much. Basically, while I'm making a gingerbread house, I'm gonna talk to y'all and I'm gonna basically tell y'all what I got on my wish list. I don't really have too much on my wish list because I'm not really the type of person who be wanting and needing a lot of stuff, but 9 times out of 10 I be needing the stuff, but I just don't be knowing what it is, so I don't be having it on my wish list. But I don't be knowing. You never know you need something. You be like, you see it, you be like, oh my gosh, I need this. Y'all know that's how y'all be. Y'all know that's how most people be too. I'm wearing something super simple for this video because I mean, what's the point of being super dressed up and all that? But I'm basically wearing this white tube top that I showed y'all in my last Shein haul. This is gonna be a basic white tube top and some black biker shorts. Period. Some slight. I bet y'all like, girl, can you fit those? Yes, I can. Mind your business. But no. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I guess I'll let y'all see me doing my hair. I mean, I don't really do nothing super extravagant. All I do is do my edges, you know. But y'all gonna see it when I do it. So yeah, we finna go ahead and get right into it. I'm not gonna hold y'all much longer. So yeah, from my Vlogmas Day 5, so yeah, from my Vlogmas Day 5, I showed y'all which gingerbread house that I had ended up picking out, and it was this one. So yeah, I'm gonna try to build it. And I just pray and hope it's not hard because, to be honest, y'all, I don't really be having patience for stuff that I feel like I don't need to do. You get what I'm saying? Like, and this gingerbread house did not give me no hard time, because I'm not gonna play with this gingerbread house. I'm not. I'm just okay, but nah, for real, y'all. Let me get started. Oh my gosh, it's like the quality, y'all. I don't even have a ring light on. Y'all, look at my lashes. Y'all know how when y'all sleep on y'all lashes, they turn. Usually, I will take them off to let them sit. I might just end up switching my lashes, but ooh, y'all, I do not feel like it. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Hold on, let me get a brush. I'm not gonna do no makeup, y'all. No makeup. No makeup. I'm gonna brush these babies out. That's what I'm supposed to do. Cause they just a little upset at me. They feel betrayed. I'm trying to see, do my lashes needs to be fixed. I mean, they don't look like it. They really don't. This is the hot comb. So the first I use my hot comb, what I do is I'll definitely plug this up first, because when I hot comb this, I need it to be super hot, because this this lace front is really it's really thick. And what I mean by thick is that I was gonna say, dang, what is wrong with my plug? But yeah, my lace front is super thick. So it's super hard to like get it to lay flat, and I be really needing it to be flat, but it just don't get there sometimes. So we're gonna try to work some magic and work some wonders. If it don't get flat, oh well. I've been wearing like this. It get a little bit more flat when I put my foam on there, but other than that, no. So I use foam, which I need to restock on some because yeah, it's the Lot of Body with coconut and shea oils, foam and mousse. But yeah, y'all, this has really lasted me for like a little minute though. So a brush, of course, who don't need a brush? This is my edge toothbrush. A comb. So when you flat iron this thing right here, it could be super flat. My cousin left this over here. Usually what I use is my edge wax, but since she left this over here, I'm gonna use this. And my flat iron, cause I be having my hair in a ponytail a lot. When I'm not like making a video or not going out, my hair is not going to be down at all. My hair is always in a ponytail, and as y'all see that from when I first started the video, my hair was not down at all. It was in a ponytail, and it just always stays in a ponytail because what does it need to be down for? It just doesn't need to be down. So yeah, no, it's the light for me. It's the skin for me, baby. Yeah, I have some good skin, but it's getting, winter is coming and it's getting really dry. So let me go get some lotion for this. This is the lotion I use for my face. It's the Ultra Healing Jergens lotion. And it's like, as soon as winter come, it be like, okay, we're gonna attack Lily Chin and make it dry. Always forget to do a thumbnail. James be like, Lily, do a thumbnail. I be forgetting. Look, that's why y'all my thumbnails be looking a little out of order. But I mean, it's okay. That's all right. Or when you order something from somewhere, you be real skeptical. Like, baby, see, one thing about me, baby, I'm gonna look at them reviews, and y'all already know this because I told y'all from when I dropped my first Shein haul that, baby, I looks at reviews when I'm finna order stuff. I look at them reviews. I look at the reviews. I read the comments. I read the questions that they be asking about the product and everything. Like, yes, I be nosy. Cause you're supposed to research all of it. This hair done came back from this side and everything. Forget it. Y'all, that's all I do to my hair. With that foam for this part. Why? Just why? Period. Period. Okay, so as y'all can see, I'm ready. Ooh. Maybe I should be. Period. But I was gonna get an A for Alicia, but they didn't have any. They ran out. So I had to get an L for Lily. Lily is my nickname, so boom, that's what I got. So yeah, it's just some custom jewelry. It's not real. Well, I don't think it's real. But okay, y'all. So I mean, I just got finished making some thumbnails. I ain't forget y'all. So period. So y'all gonna have a pretty thumbnail. So y'all, we finna try to attempt to make this gingerbread house. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. This could either go two ways. It could either be totally wrong or wrong. No, let me be playing. But it could either go totally wrong or go totally good. So I don't know. Oh, see, the gingerbread house is already made, y'all. So like, well, not already made. We just gonna say it's already built into like a house. So it has its structure already. Okay, well, that was the part I was really concerned about. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna take this piece. Oh, okay. Oops. We're gonna see it right here. Look at it, y'all. Okay, this is the frosting, I'm guessing. Yeah, I can already tell. I'm not gonna eat this. I'm not. Now the candy, I am. Oh. I think about my own candies to put on here. Y'all, we finna try this out. I feel like this. I already told y'all how I feel how it's gonna go. But okay, I'm gonna sit this down. Like, all jokes aside, y'all, this is really like the only part I want to eat. I just want to eat this part, the cookie part. Well, the gingerbread part. I'm gonna let it stay. Okay, yeah. I want it to stay on this little white part. I want it to stay on here too. So yeah, this is the house. It's already built and everything. Like, put all the trash in the bag. Trash. Use it for trash, y'all. Don't never throw it away. Use it for trash. So yeah. What I did with the candies? Okay, this is candies. Why this still? What is this? I don't know what this is. canes. The candies. I'm gonna taste these candies, y'all, before I put them in the gingerbread house. Okay, so this is what we gotta put the icing into. These are the rest of the little candies. Y'all know some. Oh, I think these are Starburst. This ain't nowhere near them Starburst candies I was talking about, y'all. I don't know what I was talking about. Like, dang, why they so hard? Why I thought I was gonna bite into something. So I guess these is mini jawbreakers. It's a no for me. Y'all, the candy literally has no taste. No taste, though. Y'all, the candy has no taste. Ew. Okay, y'all. The candy nasty. I'm gonna take a little piece of this and try it. Mind job easy. I don't know. Y'all, this part tastes so good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna decorate this for y'all, and I'm gonna scrape everything off and just eat the plain cookie. This part, I just knew this part was gonna taste good. I just knew it was gonna taste good. Oh, here you go, here you go, here you go. Oh yeah, see, this is fondant. Okay, yeah, this is fondant. That's why it's so hard to open, because fondant can drop. Fondant can drop fast, y'all, like real fast. Y'all, to be honest, I don't want to decorate. I just want to eat the cookie. I mean, I just want to eat gingerbread. I already know these type of candy canes is nasty. The only type of candy canes I eat is the Jolly Rancher ones or the Starburst ones. If it's not neither one of them two, baby, don't even hand me no candy cane. I need some. Oh, okay. I thought somebody said Lily one thick. Oh, okay. Y'all, the sun going down, so it's like my lighting is not gonna be to the best of its ability. I still look cute, so I ain't tripping. But anyways, y'all, so I just cut it. I'm gonna show y'all how much I cut. I cut off this little bitty tip of it, and then this much. Then I already got this done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the ice in it. Y'all, I'm gonna get the decorate. I don't know which one I want to be the front or the big. Best Buy. Yeah, I need to give me my order. They keep delaying my. So y'all, I ordered my auntie Christmas gift, my auntie Jerica. And her gift just keep getting delayed, y'all. Like, keep getting delayed. 1 minute they say it's gonna be here late. Then they say it's gonna be delivered this day. First they said it was the 15th. Then they changed it to the 14th. So I'm like, y'all didn't make up y'all minds. It's gonna be on the 15th, the 16th, or the 14th. Which one? Because y'all give me 3 different dates. And I don't like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this. Like, see, I'm doing all this by myself. So I just hope it turned out right. I'm gonna put this in between my legs like this. I'm gonna open the icing and pour it in here. Let me move this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Don't fall because you too good to fall. So boom, y'all, we finna talk about my wish list while I put this icing in here. Or do I need to concentrate? Let me know some, cause y'all, this icing stank. Like, I don't think I want to put this on my gingerbread house. Y'all, this is already going wrong. Like, already, Lily, yeah, you should have waited. See what happens when y'all try to rush and do stuff. And what else? I asked for some Crocs. I don't know why I asked for some Crocs, because I ended up buying a Crocs myself. which I don't know why I did that. My auntie was like, now you gotta update your list and resend it to me because you already bought one of the items that was on your list. So I was like, oh, I was like, yeah. I forgot I put them on there, y'all, to be honest. I thought it was a different color crock, but because what my family is doing this year is we have a Secret Santa, and basically you end up getting a person, we ended up picking names. The name you pick, that's the person you have to buy a gift for. So the person who I got was my grandmother. I already got her gift this year. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, like for Christmas we getting everything that my grandma want, like everything on her list. We basically getting, well, I'm not even gonna say basically, we got everything that she had on her list, period, because it's Christmas. She always looking out for us, and my grandma always makes sure anything we want we get. So it's a must that you look out for grandma, period. So we ended up getting everything on my grandma's list. I put a bunch of makeup because I'm getting more into makeup, and I think the reason why I'm getting more into makeup is because when I get on YouTube, I be wanting to, you know, look presentable. Not saying that you have to wear makeup to look presentable, but when I be doing my YouTube stuff, I be want to do my makeup. Sometimes I might want to do a makeup tutorial for y'all. Sometimes I just might want to have doing makeup and to get ready with me, period. So it could be like longer for y'all, but yeah, that's really basically it. I put a taser on there. I put a I already told y'all. I put a camera because I'm really looking forward to taking this YouTube stuff serious. So yes, I want a camera, and I'm gonna need a camera. And I think the type of camera I want, it's a Canon camera. I can't exactly remember off top because everything is in my notes, but I just know my notes and memorize it, so I already know everything that's on there. What else I put on there? I put a Shein gift card. I'm always shopping on Shein, so it's a must. You gotta put a Shein gift card. Then I also put, oh, hold on, let me put these candies on here, y'all, for this. Ooh, yeah, baby, please don't drop on my floor. So yeah, I put that. What else did I put on my what else did I put? That's basically it. Like, it was the iPad, the camera, the taser, the ring light, the Crocs, and literally everything else after that was just all makeup. Like all makeup stuff that I need. That's it. But yeah, that's really everything that I want, y'all. And the Shein gift card. And I don't really put clothes and shoes because people might not know your style. They can see how you dress every day, but at the end of the day, they might not know your style. So that's another thing I didn't really put I didn't put nothing that was no clothes, no shoes. If you want to give me some clothes and shoes, just give me some money. I can buy my own clothes and shoes. But yeah, that's what I did. And that's basically on my wish list. Ooh. And the iPad I want is I don't even know which. I just know that I want an iPad, y'all. Like, to be honest, I just know that I want an iPad. That candy dropped on the floor. Oh well, I'm gonna pick it up after this video. But yeah, that's what I got. And okay, y'all, my gingerbread house might be a little cute or whatever. What else I had wanted? Oh, I want a wax pop machine. Okay, the reason why I put a wax pop machine is because I want to be able to do my own eyebrows. And if somebody else wants theirs done, then they can get theirs done too. I mean, like, period. But yes, I put a wax pop machine. But I had told my boyfriend to give me the wax pop machine. And if I told him to get it, then 9 times out of 10, he's going to get it. Not saying he just do whatever I say, but if you know that that's something I want, he gonna step to get it, period, as he should. And yeah, that's really it, y'all. And I honestly, I feel like all the expensive stuff I want, my grandma gonna get. Like, that's because I just know her. And I honestly, yeah, like, I feel like she gonna get most of my expensive stuff. My auntie already told me, she said, girl, I ain't get you nothing on your list. She said, but when I do give you your gift, I'm gonna tell you why I got you this gift. So I was like, okay, bet. And I honestly feel like anything I get for Christmas, I'm gonna be grateful for. Like, I'm gonna be 100% grateful for. So yeah. So yeah, but y'all, that's basically my wish list. But I can definitely give y'all other like ideas that y'all want. Oh, I started Christmas shopping, y'all. Cause remember I told y'all everybody who I gotta get gifts for, my mama ain't gotta worry about. I can just give her Christmas money when I get paid. I'm trying to find out which color to put next because wait. I'm gonna just send my mama her money closer to Christmas, or I might send it a little bit before so she can like actually shop and get her Christmas gift, and then might send her some more money so she can get some more stuff that she want to get. Because I mean, it's y'all mama. At the end of the day, you supposed to step for your mama. Like, you supposed to go all out for your mama. Like, no ifs, ands, and buts about it. And my mama, I know my mama love clothes, and I know she want to get her some clothes, so I'm sending her some money, baby, and she gonna buy her a whole bunch of clothes, period. So yeah, that's basically oh no, it's this one next. So yeah, y'all, my brothers, they said they don't want, I think they said they wanted some white tees. They was like, oh yeah, you can give me like some white tees, some drawers. You know, dudes is so plain, y'all, like so plain. But I think I'm just getting them some money too, because I don't know how to shop for boys, and I don't really know what size my brothers wear. So as far as shoes, okay, shoes I can do that. Like, shoes I can do that. That's another thing I'm thinking about getting them for their Christmas. My little room. Y'all, I'm just eating this up right now because y'all, I do not know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna show y'all this side. Yes, that is cute. Okay, it's all right. Let me look at their example. They got their stuff filled with frosting. I ain't putting all this frosting on here because I already told y'all I want to eat my gingerbread house, and all this frosting is coming off, period. Now I gotta hold these candies in my hand, but this side is, I think I'm gonna do it a little bit different. I just want to see how I want to do it first. Hold on. But yeah, that's basically on my wish list. Now, what's some people, I know a lot of people looking up like what you can get for your boyfriend. 9 times out of 10, it ain't always got to be the boy to get a promise ring. You can get your dude a promise ring too, cause well, I ain't gonna say my dude gift on here, but I'm gonna just give y'all some ideas. You can always get a boy like some shoes. A lot of people getting their PS5. If y'all dudes worthy of PS5, get them a PS5. But yeah, y'all do y'all. Yeah, y'all do y'all. That's all I would say. You get shoes, you buy clothes. Cause to be honest, dudes don't even want to lie. They really don't. Like, they don't. Y'all know dudes is the most basic people in the world. Well, I'm not just gonna say they the most basic people in the world, but they is just not somebody that you gotta be like super worried about shopping for, because 9 times out of 10, it's they don't even really want none. So I would say like the best gift for a boy is money. You can buy him some games. If he have a gaming system, you can buy him some games. If he got a gaming system, you can what else I was gonna say? Maybe this frosting is coming up from the top, and it's alright. Now it ain't just over the top good then. Ooh, the frosting is falling. This is getting everywhere, y'all. This is what I didn't want to happen. Period. Now, okay, y'all, this frosting is getting everywhere. Hold on. Ew, why did I do that? Why? That was not good. And I'm just over here eating it and stuff, and it don't even taste right. Y'all, the only thing good in the gingerbread house is the gingerbread. Okay? Period. And it's all jokes aside. Y'all probably think I'm playing, I'm over exaggerating, but that candy is nasty. And the frosting is getting everywhere. Well, not the frosting, the icing. Frosting, icing, same difference. It's getting everywhere. Ugh. See, I should have worn some gloves. Cause ugh. Girl, let me put these candies on here. Cause now I'm gonna get irritated. Cause I hate when I'm doing something in the process and my hands start to get dirty. I don't like that. I don't. So we finna go on, put these bad boys on here real fast. But people was all like, what's something you can get like your grandma or something? I would say now, me, when it comes time to shop, people, y'all, when I tell y'all I be clueless, I be so clueless. Y'all, I'm not the person to come to. I'm not. Because I'm going to be straight up and totally honest with y'all. 9 times out of 10, I don't know. I don't. Like, I just don't. Because sometimes, nowadays, it's hard to shop for people because you don't know exactly what people like. So when it comes time to shop or go get something, you know, it's really so much you can get. But like if you know the person, like say if your mom and your grandma, you can get them like some Bath and Body Works, some pajamas. You can definitely get your grandma some pajamas, because what grandma don't like a nightgown? Come on now. Who don't like a nightgown? Shoot, I even like nightgowns, because most of the time I don't like sleeping in a shirt and shorts, which I don't. I sleep in shirt and panties. Cause no, who got time for all of that? Nobody. I'll put on a gown real quick, and I'll be ready to put on a gown. But yeah, that's like, yeah, like that's something you can get your G-mom, your nana, whatever you call her, and she'll like that. She really will. Or if your grandma expensive like mine, she gonna want a bike. She gonna want gift cards. If people like, ooh, me, baby, I love food. You can give me a gift card. I take a gift card. Whataburger, Subway, Chick-fil-A. You can run me that gift card. You could run me that gift card on everything. Like, you could run me that gift card. I'm dropping these candies and it's making me so mad because I'm going to have to go and pick all of them up after. But yeah, y'all. Them, baby, who? For real. Like for real. Chick-fil-A, I really mess with Chick-fil-A. I don't know if a lot of people mess with Chick-fil-A, but me, I love Chick-fil-A. Some might prefer Raising Cane's, but look, you like what you like, baby. Well, you can get them like an Amazon. You never know. You can get them an Amazon gift card. Like if you really just don't know what to go get somebody, get them. Figure out what their favorite store is. Give them a gift card to go there. If you know that they just like to be online and order stuff, find out where they like ordering stuff from. Get them a gift card from there. If they like my auntie, she when I say loves Shein. She always ordering something off Shein. Always. So boom, that's a gift right there. She don't watch she don't watch, she's not a YouTube person. She's a TikTok person. So she's not even gonna see this video. So that's why I'm telling y'all, like, boom, that's a gift right there. Not saying that that's what I'm getting her. But boom, that's the gift right there. If you know somebody been wanting like me, if you got you a cousin that like her inches, buy her some inches for the girls. Okay, inches for the girls, baby. And I love me some inches. That's one thing I like, period. And oh yeah, my inches, I like 26 inches. Okay, 26, okay, 26, baby. But yeah, if you know you got you a cousin who love wigs, get her some wigs. Make sure you know how to order the wigs though. Don't just be ordering wigs from any and everywhere. No, that's not what we're doing. Let me put my shirt up, y'all. The reason why I'm holding my hand stuff like this is I got frosting, and I don't want to get that frosting on me because no. But yeah, like, it's always something that you can get somebody. You just really got to think about what people like and what they want. You just got to think about what interests people. If you know somebody just got a new TV and they don't want to get cable, boom, buy them a Roku, buy them a Fire Stick. Like, period. If you know somebody like going out to eat, get them a gift card to go to like Chili's. Texas Roll, y'all, Texas Roadhouse is so good. They rolls is bum.com. Like, period. Like, it's always a solution. Why is this little gumball, well, whatever this is keep trying to fall, baby? I'm ready for you to stick and stay. Ugh. Want to be disobedient so bad. Okay, done with these. Y'all, it's gonna go right in the trash. Look, I can put them right here. Boom, now it's time to work on. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all the other side. It looked just like the other side. Boom. Chicka chicka. Okay, y'all, so we did that part. Now let me work on the back of my house. I'm not really the most creative person ever. When it comes to arts and crafts stuff, I'm not your girl, okay? I really can only do so much, y'all. Like, so I'm so for real. Hold on, because I'm tired of this ice coming up out of here at the top. Oops. Oh, look at me dropping things. Oh yeah, y'all, that icing is hard for the girls. Oh, I do not know how I want to make this one. Why they ain't showing them? Oh, okay. Oh, I don't know how to do that. I do not know how to look. Hold on. Y'all, I don't know what to do. Because I'm looking at the box trying to get an idea. And y'all, I'm stuck. Like, for real, for real. Okay, I'm going to have to... Okay, I'm going to just have to hold it, you know, get with the program. Oh, y'all, I don't know what to do. Look at the candy falling. And this stuff keep trying to come out at the top. Where, I don't even know where that fell from. I don't. And yeah, I don't see where it fell from. Like, if you don't want to stick, just say that. Now all of them falling off, y'all. Like, really? Come on. This is a mess and a half. Like, seriously. Just stay. Just stay. Be a good girl. Thank you. Ew, no, them two colors by the same. Oh, well. Y'all, I don't know what to do when it comes to being too creative. Okay, we're gonna figure out where we're gonna put these candy canes. They put one at the top, so I know y'all like Lily, do your own thing here. I don't know how to decorate gingerbread house. want to hear it. They ain't talking the back. I cover my ears. I'm popping the lamb. I'm switching the gears. It's Bonner made these niggas chill out of my baguettes for the clutch face. Ollie mad with stuck face. Who the playing with anyways? City girls make them wish like Ray J. Let me talk to them. All these niggas want JT. They do Hellcat. This SRT. Pull up G163. I'll make 55 sub 30. You want Minaj with a new body. Man, you niggas came with me because I came from the bottom of the fence to the jolly broke. Ain't saying a thing. Period. I tell her, I don't really like the baby part. I feel like he needs to switch up his flow. I'm not really a good multitasker. I'm usually the type that I have to talk about something, talk about it, and then start back focusing on whatever I was doing. So yeah, they say she shot her best friend in the head. She said it was an accident. She said the gun fell and it, you know, shot. But I mean, if you do think about it, like, how can a gun fall and come all the way on the floor and then shoot somebody in the forehead? I mean, the bullet could have went anywhere. Look, you never know. That's just me though. That's just me. I really do think it was an accident, but at the end of the day, y'all, we don't really know who these celebrities are. We don't really know how they are. We don't really know how they is. You get what I'm saying? But I mean, look, we don't know none, y'all. We clueless out here in this world. Do you hear me? We is clueless. Well, I ain't gonna say clueless, but about these rappers and these singers, we don't know what they really capable of. Like, you never know, they might be capable of something like that. But yeah, but yeah, I'm really on to the city girls right now. I love Lil Baby. I don't know, Lil Baby, baby, one thing about Lil Baby, he could switch his flow. That's what I like, seeing that in a rapper. If I feel like you could switch your flow, oh, off top, I mess with your music. Like, off top, I mess with your music. I'm going to always want to hear your music. I'm gonna always want to listen to it. If you always got the same flow, I don't want to hear that. I like Megan Thee Stallion. I like her song with Lil Durk. It's called Movie. I really mess with it. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to figure out some. As y'all can see, I'm over here messing some stuff up. But I mean, hey, it's the first time for everything. I just gotta get better at this because I don't know what I'm doing. It would have been better if I was doing it with a partner. Because, you know, teamwork makes the dream work, baby. Some clothing that you can't fit, you just holding on to it because you don't want to give it away and you think you could still fit it. Well, this is me telling you, you can't fit it, throw it away. Y'all, this is the other side. Y'all, I think I think I did look good. I think I did look good. I mean, it ain't the best, but I mean, it ain't the worst neither, okay? So we're gonna do this other side. I low-key don't want to do the other side, but the reason why I don't want to do the other side is because I really want to eat it. Like, and okay, I'm gonna say the sides for me. I'm gonna say the sides for me. But look, I'm doing this for y'all, okay? I'm doing this for y'all. I'm gonna say the size for me. I'm finna go ahead and decorate this right quick. It's not gonna look the same because I was just doing something on this side. I really was. Hold on, baby. I'm gonna try to make it look just like that side. If it don't, what you want me to do? I'm trying. What's that, a yellow? Oh, I got one more pink left too. Oh yeah, y'all. Y'all, my hands is dirty. I cannot wait to be done with this so I can wash my hands. Okay, yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm done decorating the other side, and I'm gonna just give y'all a little tour. I'm gonna give y'all an outside tour of my house, of my gingerbread house, and I'm gonna show y'all how the other side turned out. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm saving these sides for me because I'm gonna eat some of this gingerbread house, but this is not gonna get ate, period. So I'm gonna come back when I'm done with it, so I won't just have too much footage for y'all because I don't want it to be too long. And so boom, I'm gonna come back to that when I'm done. Okay, so y'all ignore the mess in the back. So I'm gonna show y'all my little gingerbread. Okay, y'all, I'm letting y'all know I just got back from washing my hands. The icing and stuff was getting everywhere, literally. Like, it was not the move, but yeah, no, our gangsters be short. Now let me keep playing, but let me show y'all what I'm working with. So don't talk about my house because we can fight. So this is the bag. This is the side. Don't worry about this because I'm eating this. It's not getting decorated. This is the front. Ooh, that's a little cricket. This is the front. Yeah, I know. This is the other side. And this is my roof. That's gonna have to be a thumbnail, y'all. But y'all, that's my gingerbread house. But y'all, period. So this was a wish list / building your gingerbread, well, not building but decorating your gingerbread house, because yeah, I feel like I did look good. Honestly, girl, y'all, I forgot all about the fondant. I forgot that that side was supposed to be the front door and all that. I was forgetting about all that, y'all. And I'm talking about something, it's gonna look different. Well, it does, it's gonna look different because that's the back of the house, that's the front of the house. But yeah, ooh, ignore that mess in the back. But yeah, I'm feeling myself, y'all. I'm sorry. It's the skin. It was the meat for him. So yeah, boom. So that's the end of this video. Stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 20 and Vlogmas Day 25. Y'all, we is getting closer and closer to Christmas. Tomorrow is the 15th, which means that this is when y'all will be getting this video. And today is actually the 14th And right now, I don't even know what time it is, but I know it's 2 something. Vlogmas day 20. Stay tuned. I got something planned for y'all. Vlogmas day 25. I already told you. Yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all already know what Vlogmas day 25 gonna be. But y'all, that is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed me decorating my little gingerbread house and tell y'all my wish list and just basically talking about other little random stuff too. I cannot wait to edit this so I can hurry up and go and get this out to y'all tomorrow so I can have it ready, baby. I might have it out early for y'all because y'all know I be dropping late because I get off work late, so I'll be having to do stuff late. But yes, your girl is finna eat because now that I thought about it, I think I woke up at like 11 something, so I only been up for like two hours. I don't know if it's 2 or 3 something. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because I'm just doing a whole bunch of talking. I just want to thank all my supporters and for everyone who's showing me love, because I mean, y'all not obligated to support me, y'all not obligated to watch my YouTube videos, and y'all not obligated to like or comment, but y'all watch me and y'all like, and I appreciate it. So without further ado, but yeah, y'all, so I love y'all. Y'all stay blessed. God bless. Wear y'all masks because corona is getting real bad out here, for real, for real. I told y'all that in my last video. So without further ado, bye.